Hey, it's another birthday, or rather, it's another vlog. Okay, no, I have a series on Facebook where we do, hi, it's bath time with Zara and I. So that's why I started that way, but forgetting that I was vlogging for YouTube. Anyway, we just finished showering and I'm trying to hurry up and put on her diaper before she wheezes or poops on her body. My body, I've not yet had my bath, but her own body, which is clean. So this is just me trying to hurry. Mama, you've not said hello to your YouTube lovers or YouTube. I don't want to use the word fans. YouTube lovers or YouTube family. One of the two. By the way, we're using Vaseline. I usually use Vaseline and she has her own cream, but I hardly use it. At times I use it, at times I don't. Like, I use so many things on her body, but mostly Vaseline and shea butter. So I'm still going to use shea butter right now. It's just going to massage. Anyway, bless you. Bless you. It's okay. I know you soon start. It's okay. So I'm still rubbing some on her hair and also Vaseline. Or her baby or rather. So I use 1, 2, 3 on her hair. Not every day, sure. Like every day I can use this. I can use this on different days. Rather, I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know what type of English I'm speaking. So I have to be standing up because I'm using the bowl to hold my phone because all the tripod stands I have, they're just very, very useless. So, ew, mama. Okay, I'm done. I'm just about to wear her socks. We are ready. Okay, and say hello. Say hello. Hello. Okay, so she has eaten, by the way, so I don't think we're going to be feeding unless she starts crying. So I have so many things to do. I was saying I have her clothes to wash. This is the bowl that has all this. So I have to throw this water away. By the way, why I'm doing all of this alone is because it's holiday season. It helps me. She traveled, like, this is her first time working with us, so we allowed her travel for Christmas. Bless you, baby. We allowed her travel for Christmas. That's why you've been seeing all my videos. I've been doing everything myself. Yeah, my husband helps, but most times when I'm doing most of these things, that's when he's resting. Ooh. Hey, I know you're 8 weeks old, but don't show me that you're stronger than me. Okay, let's clean our mouth. Let's clean our mouth. I'm bathing now. I'm trying to clean our mouth. I'm going to be using this wipe to clean. Yes, behave yourself. See me brushing somebody. I've not brushed myself. I hope you cannot smell my breath. I hope you can perceive it. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, good girl. Good. Oh, and show them your clean mouth. Did you show them? Did you show everyone your clean tongue? And show them again. Oh, it's okay. Yeah, let's do one last time. Good girl. Good mama. My baby is a strong girl. Strong and good girl. So we're gonna trash this. And we are done with our bath time. Are you hungry? It's not food, I know. Okay, so let me just put her down and then tidy everywhere. Or maybe I'll just carry her. And say hi. Just going to carry her so I can be able to do what I need to do. So I've put her down, she's protesting. See. Sarah, I know you're stronger than me, but don't start. Did you hear? Do not start. Just behave yourself. And let's do this. Free your leg. Okay. See this girl. I pulled his leg out. She still pulled it back in. Okay. Don't you want to go on the ride with me? Going on the ride. On my chest. Okay. Now, let's go and do our day-to-day activities, okay? Say bye. Doing that she doesn't want to stay. Huh? Huh? No, you're finally here. And you're smiling. You're even blowing a kiss to them. Okay, guys, let's tidy up this place and the bed. Okay. My guy, just 2 minutes and she slept. But if I put her down now, there's a big wahala because she will wake up. Eh? Clothes in our kitchen sink. Reason is because my assistant wasn't around, and then my house, we're on 4th floor, so I have to like go all the way to ground floor to be able to like wash outside, or if not I have to stay in the bathroom, and if I'm staying in the bathroom I'll have to bend down or carry a seat there, which I don't want to do because I have back pain due to the anesthesia whatever that they gave me during my delivery process. I usually get back pain when I bend too much, so I just have to stand to wash, and the kitchen sink is the best option. I also end this vlog. It is so long. I don't know if I'm showing you. It's so long. I also end the vlog. I do it. You guys clothes and also that is just washing sink. That is what I'm just going to say. You just wash for washing sink. Just tell me why I've been washing baby's clothes every single day, whereas baby doesn't need to wash. Doesn't kill me. All that clothes needs washing for is the milk drops while feeding her. Yeah. Once I'm done washing, I think that's all for this morning. And I'm going to end this vlog right there. So yeah, always wash your baby's clothes. Like, don't turn it this way, but instead zip it fully and then wash. No, this is meant for when you want to dry the clothes actually. So that's what you want to do. If it's to wash, definitely you can turn over, wash, and no, but the clothes are not really dirty though. So it's just basically the neck I focus on. But when she starts walking, definitely this part will be very dirty as well. And then also need to look at the bum parts, the armpits. Like I said, the clothes are not dirty because I'm using the blue liquid wash. That's why the water is like this.